Yes.
Okay. चलिए, so wait for a minute. 1 minute wait करते हैं. Let's see who all are coming. Then I'm going to start with the next topic, that is called ellipse.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So, the number one, what is basically ellipse? Quick revision. In case of parabola, I have told you that in case of parabola, eccentricity is 1. What do you mean by the eccentricity? Distance of the moving point. Distance of the moving point, let P be the moving point. P, it is X and Y, and this is the focus F. Let it be H and K, and this is the line, fixed line, that is called directrix. AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. So I told you, in the case of parabola, distance of PA over PF is equal to 1. This is called eccentricity. Eccentricity is equal to 1. What is eccentricity? Distance of P to A over distance of P to F. तो ये 1 था. That means both the distances are equal in case of parabola. Now, in case of ellipse, the distance of the moving point from the fixed line and distance of the moving point from the fixed point is less than 1. That means, which implies my PF is more than PA. अगर इस तरह की कंडीशन हो तो उसको मैं क्या बोलूंगा? एलिप्स बोलूंगा. क्लियर? मूविंग पॉइंट का डिस्टेंस फिक्स्ड लाइन से ओवर मूविंग पॉइंट का डिस्टेंस फिक्स्ड पॉइंट से, ये हमेशा 1 से कम होगा. which and this ratio is called eccentricity, which implies eccentricity of ellipse is always less than 1. Eccentricity of the parabola is equal to 1. What it means now? What it means? PA is less than PF, which implies PA, that means distance of the fixed point from the fixed line. This is called AX plus BY plus C upon A square plus B square under root. This is the distance, and this is X minus H square plus Y minus K square. To make it equal, we will write eccentricity with it. That means which is equal, which implies X minus H square plus Y minus K square is to A square plus B square is equal to eccentric E square AX plus BY plus C ka whole square. This is the standard equation, general equation of ellipse. Now, standard form, standard equations. तो दो तरह की स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशंस हम बात करेंगे. द पहला क्या है? व्हेन x एक्सिस इज द मेजर एक्सिस, एंड सेकंड इज व्हेन y एक्सिस इज द मेजर एक्सिस. तो इसके फॉर्मूलाज के अंदर जरा ध्यान देना. पहला, व्हेन x एक्सिस इज मेजर एक्सिस. What do you mean by the major? Major means when the focus is on the x-axis. When focus is on x-axis. इसको बहुत ध्यान से देखना. When the focus is on एक्स एक्सिस। तो मैं फिगर ड्रॉ कर रहा हूं। This is my ellipse. When the focus is on the x-axis, what it means, this is the focus and this is the focus. This is AE, comma 0, and this is minus AE, comma 0. Let it be F1, first focus, and let it be F2. This point, let it be capital A minus A0. Let it be capital B A0, point on the major axis. Clear? The distance of O to B and distance of O to A are always equal. This is directrix 1. X is equal to A upon E. This is the second directrix. X is equal to minus A upon E. The line which passes through the focus, this is called latus rectum. This is latus rectum. Latus rectum. Again, the line passes through the focus. This is called latus rectum. At this point, on the y-axis, this is 0b. This is 0 minus b. अब इसके फॉर्मूलाज, पहला स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन, as in case of parabola, it is y square is equal to 4ax or x square is equal to 4ay. Here it is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1, where a is greater than b. जो बड़ी वैल्यू होगी, क्लियर, और उसके ऊपर जो वैल्यू होगी, जैसे a इज ग्रेटर देन b, तो a के ऊपर क्या है, x, जो बड़ी वैल्यू है उसके ऊपर x है, तो मेजर एक्सिस क्या हो गया, x एक्सिस। अगर b a से बड़ी होती तो b के ऊपर क्या है, y, तो y एक्सिस इसका मेजर एक्सिस होता, वेयर b इज इक्वल टू a 1 माइनस e स्क्वायर। सेकेंड फॉर्मूला, center of the ellipse. The center is always 0, 0 because it is symmetrical. Third, focus. That we have already written. Focus is plus minus AE comma 0. The first focus is AE comma 0. Second is minus AE comma 0. Fourth, length of major axis. मेजर एक्सिस की लेंथ, अब देखिए O से लेके B तक कितना है, A, O से लेके A तक कितना है, A, तो A और A, दिस इज 2A, लेंथ ऑफ द मेजर एक्सिस, दिस इज 2A. फिफ्थ, लेंथ ऑफ माइनर एक्सिस, दिस इज 2B. Sixth, length of latus rectum, 2B square upon A. Vertex plus minus A0. So it is symmetrical about both the axes. Write down the formulas very carefully, because if you know the formula question, it will take only 5 minutes to solve the questions. When x-axis is the major axis, then x square over a square, a is greater than b, ज्यादा वाला हमको आगे रखना है. अगर y axis major axis होगा तो मैं y को आगे रखूंगा. Then I will write y square over b square plus x square over a square, and I will write b is greater than a.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
हाँ जी.
सर ये स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन है, ये ए ग्रेटर देन बी के लिए ही है सिर्फ?
हाँ, ये वाली a ग्रेटर देन b के लिए, क्योंकि a बड़ी है b से, तो x के नीचे a है, तो तभी तो मैं x एक्सिस मेजर एक्सिस किया.
सर उसके नीचे वाली जो आपने लिखी है, b इज इक्वल टू a अंडर रूट.
ये हाँ हाँ, इसी के लिए ये रादर उसके लिए भी सेम ही होगी. When y axis is the major axis, it will be same. मैं ही हाँ यहाँ कर रहा हूँ अभी. When y axis is major, तो इसके लिए if you'll go with the diagram, this is the ellipse when y axis is the major axis. This is my x axis. This is my y axis. Now the focus will shift on y axis. This is my first focus. This is my second focus. This focus is 0 AE. This will be 0 minus AE. First focus, this is my second focus. Now see, this point 0 A and this point 0 minus A. जहां पे फोकस होगा वहीं पे बड़े वाला पॉइंट होगा A, जिसको मैं A लिख रहा हूं. यहां पे 0 B0 और 0 minus B0. Again, a line which passes through this is called latus rectum. Focus से जो line pass होगी वो latus rectum. Because it is the major axis, directrix will lie on the major axis. So directrix will be on the y-axis. Y is equal to minus A upon E. Y is equal to A upon E. तो पहला स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन, y square upon a square plus x square upon b square is equal to 1. Here a is greater than b. अब जो बड़ी वैल्यू है वो कहां आ गई? y के नीचे आ गई. क्लियर? बिकॉज a जो है वो b से बड़ा है. बड़े वाली वैल्यू यहां पे क्या था? x एक्सिस मेजर एक्सिस था, तो a इज ग्रेटर देन b, बड़े वाली वैल्यू x के नीचे थी, यहां पे बड़े वाली वैल्यू y के नीचे आ गई, वेयर b इज इक्वल टू a 1 माइनस e स्क्वायर। सेकेंड, सेंटर वही 0 0। थर्ड, फोकस, अब ये फिर शिफ्ट हो गए y पे, तो 0 कॉमा प्लस माइनस ए ई। फोर्थ, लेंथ ऑफ मेजर एक्सिस सेम, बिकॉज जहां पे मेजर एक्सिस होगा वहीं ए होगा, सो 2a। लेंथ ऑफ माइनर एक्सिस इट इज 2b। लेटस रेक्टम LR, this is again 2b square upon a। vertex, this is 0 comma plus minus a, and it is symmetric about both the axes। तो इसको नोट करिए, then I am going to start with you the examples from NCR। Manvi, any doubt to you, Manvi Agarwal?
No, sir, no doubt as of now.
As soon as you will note down, please let me know, so that examples can be started. Example 9 of NCERT.
Noted, sir.
Okay.
Noted, sir.
Great. चलिए, Karman and Gaurush, have you noted? चलिए. Now, I'm going to discuss example 9. ध्यान देना आप जरा, इससे सारा आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा. Now he's saying equation is given to you x square over 25 plus y square upon 9 equal to 1. This is the equation which is given to you. आपको क्या निकालना है? Number 1, focus. Number 2, vertex. Number 3, length of major axis. Length, major, minor और इसेंट्रिसिटी, सब कुछ निकालना है. अच्छा, अब सबसे पहले मेरे को ये बताओ, एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन 5 स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर अपॉन 3 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1. नूरप्रीत, बड़ा कौन सा है इसमें? एक्स के नीचे वाला कि वाई के नीचे वाला?
सर एक्स के नीचे वाला.
एक्स के नीचे
एक्स
वाला
एक्सिस में है.
एक्स एक्सिस में है. तो दैट मींस कि 5 इज ग्रेटर देन 3, विच इंप्लाइज एक्स इज द मेजर एक्सिस. अब क्लियर होगी आपके बात? ये मेरा मेजर एक्सिस हुआ. क्लियर? अच्छा, अब अगर ये मेरा मेजर एक्सिस हुआ तो सबसे पहले b की वैल्यू क्या होती है? a इज टू 1 माइनस ई स्क्वायर अंडर रूट, स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड्स, b square is equal to a square 1 minus e square. Now my a is 5 because a b से बड़ा होता है तो a should be greater than b. तो a 5 हो गया, b मेरे पास हो गया 3. तो देखिए b की वैल्यू में यहां डालूं 3 का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 5 का स्क्वायर 1 माइनस e का स्क्वायर. So 9 upon 25 is equal to 1 minus e square. So which implies 9 over 25 minus 1 is equal to minus e square, which implies e square is equal to 1 minus 9 over 25. That means 16 over 25. So E is equal to 4 over 5. Logic. This is my eccentricity, which is less than 1. That is, it is true. That means it is eccentricity of ellipse. तो मेरा एक पार्ट खत्म हो गया, E की वैल्यू मेरे पास आ गई. Clear? Now, A is known to me 5, B is known to me 3. तो focus, because it is on x-axis, so it is plus minus AE, 0. ये मैंने आपको फॉर्मूला बताया. So this is plus minus the value of A 5, the value of E 4 by 5, comma 0. 5 goes with this, so which implies plus minus 4, comma 0. ये मेरा फोकस आ गया. अब रह गया वर्टेक्स. We know that x-axis is the major axis, vertex is plus minus A0. So plus minus 5, 0 is the vertex. Length of major axis, length of major axis, it is 2a. So that means 2 is to 5, it is 10. Length of minor axis, 2b. This is 2 is to b. The value of b is 3, which is 6. I hope this is clear with every student, those who are present here.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
एक बार इसको go through हो जाओ अच्छी तरह से, then I will move to the next example, so that you can solve the questions from the exercises. मेरे को बता देना as soon as it you will note, because in the example 10 it is 9x square plus 4y square is equal to 36. Again you have to calculate everything: focus, vertex, length of major axis, minor axis, eccentricity, everything. So here you have to convert this equation into standard form first, because if I will go with the equation of parabola, it is ellipse, it is x square over a square, y square over b square is equal to 1. My right hand side is always equal to 1. But here my right hand side is 36. So divide both sides by 36. So this is 9:4, 4:9. So that is x square upon 2 square plus y square upon 3 square is equal to 1. अब y के नीचे वाली term is more. So that means my a is equal to 3, my b is equal to 3, y axis is major axis. बिकॉज y के नीचे वाली टर्म ज्यादा है, x के नीचे वाली टर्म कम है, इसलिए मैं y एक्सिस को क्या लिख रहा हूं, मेजर एक्सिस लिख रहा हूं. बेटा एक बात बनती है, इज इट फाइन?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now to find out the eccentricity, again we will use the same result. B square is equal to a square 1 minus e square. Substitute the value. This is 4. This is 9. 1 minus e square. 4 upon 9, 1 minus e square. So e square is equal to 1 minus 4 upon 9, which is equal to 5 upon 9, which implies e is equal to under root 5 upon 3. This is the eccentricity. Now focus, because it is on the y-axis, so it will be 0 plus minus AE. That is 0 plus minus A. It is 3 and E under root 5 upon 3. So this is 0 plus minus under root 5. This is focus. Again, length of major axis, it is 2a, which is equal to 2:3, it is 6. Minor axis, 2b, 2:2, 4, this is minor axis. So please try the questions from the exercise. Clear? Questions are on the basis of the same. Formulas are with you. Just go through the formula, and tomorrow I will discuss the doubts. Then we will go to the next topic. So any doubt to any student in ellipse, which I have discussed. Definition of ellipse. We have discussed that eccentricity of the ellipse is always less than 1 because the distance of the moving point from the directrix is less as compared to distance of the moving point from the focus. Then we did two kind of ellipse on major axis, when x-axis is the major axis and when y-axis is the major axis. Basic deciding factor is the value under x or value under y. Which value is greater, either under x or under y, that value will decide the nature of the ellipse, whether it will be on the major axis or it will be on the minor axis.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ जी,
Sir, in many of the books, the distance between the two focuses was given as 2c, and the length from the center to the focus is c.
दैट इज अ
Sir,
डिफरेंट टर्मिनोलॉजी। वो एक अलग अलग, हर किताब अपनी टर्मिनोलॉजी इस्तेमाल करती है। क्लियर? तो आप एक को याद रखो जो मैंने आपको करवाया, एक टर्म्स का डिफरेंस है और कुछ नहीं है। उन्होंने उसको कुछ और तरह से लिखा, हमने किसी और तरह से लिखा, बट क्वेश्चंस जो होंगे उससे निकलने से मतलब है। When you will solve the questions, you will get the same answer. Either you will solve from that terminology or from this terminology which we have discussed. Right?
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you very much. I hope you people have noted.
Yes.
Great.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ठीक है। See you tomorrow. इसको एक बार अच्छी तरह से कर लेना। कोई डाउट्स होंगे that we will discuss tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you.